Hey, Nonna Pia, what are you doing in the kitchen today? What are you making?
I'm making stracciatella soup. See, I boil the chicken.
No, you don't buy the chicken broth already made?
Oh, you're crazy. I make fresh.
What's in here, Nonna? What'd you put?
I put in 1 tomato, celery, and a piece of onions, and the chicken. That's it.
That's it.
Let it boil to cook.
Beautiful.
Chicken all cooked, come in a piece of look. I have to drain.
Wow, Nonna, you're strong. Mannaggia. You don't need any help?
No, I'm done.
You're a strong 89-year-old.
See, this is the soup. Now I gotta prepare it for the stracciatella. I'm gonna make the skin. This is a lemon.
You got the lemon?
Lemon.
Skin.
Now, I put the eggs in there.
Did you wash your hands today? There we go. Now you're ready.
I don't know what all day.
How many eggs, Nonna?
Maybe I put a 6. I put the cheese in.
Now we put the cheese. What kind of cheese, Nonna?
Parmesan.
That's a lot of cheese, Nonna.
Yes.
More lemon.
Lemon and the cheese and eggs. Then you mix it up like this.
Nonna, how did you learn how to make this?
My mother used to do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's easy to make, right?
See, nah, this is all done.
All right.
I put them on the soup.
All right. There it becomes stracciatella. There we go.
Now it's gonna cook all the top.
It's like a frittata on the soup.
I love it.
Oh, there you go.
You're gonna taste it now.
Oh, yeah, we're going to eat. Have some nice fresh soup. Bellissimo.
You wanna sit?
Yeah, let's sit and enjoy together.
I hope it tastes good.
All right, let me try. Look at that.
Then you
soup.
bring the pot upstairs.
Oh my God. Great job.
Hey, bon?
Very good. Very, very good.
I'm gonna have some.
You're going to have some too with me. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Thank you.
Miss you.
Miss you too. Stracciatella Nonna Pia style.